Thanks for joining us again here on Vito's Italian Cucina today. We're going to do bagels, that's right. Now, in the past I put a picture up of a great bagel that I already did, but I didn't show you how I put it together. And I'm going to put this together a la one of my best friends, Red Man. That's my nickname for him. Scotty Glickman. So anyway, this is for you, Scott, man. Here we go. We're going to get going. I got the bagels over here, and we're almost ready to go. Waiting for it. Oh, it just popped up. Look at that. TV stuff. And then, that's so hot. Oh, my God. Look how brown that is. Ooh, can you see that? Oh, beautiful. Okay, we'll start there. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put some schmear on. You can use any kind of schmear you want to. This is a nice cream cheese. And I just put it on there just like this. Can you come on in and see that a little bit? There you go. And I just put a little bit more. And I always like to be a little healthy dose of cream cheese. Of course, you can do anything you want to do. And we'll put it on both of them just like so. Just like this. Look at that. There we go. And then the next thing that I'm going to do here, folks, is I'm going to get my capers. Here's my capers, okay? And you can get these at any grocery store. These are beautiful. They have smaller ones. They have larger ones, but this is wonderful. So here's what I do with the capers. I go and I put those down first like this, right on top. And what happens is the schmear in that helps the capers to stick a little bit because they're round little bowling balls. You know what I mean? And these are beautiful. These are a little salty, so be careful how much salt you use. I know, I have to watch my salt too. And then after I do that, what I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna get my pomodoro, okay? My tomatoes, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my sliced tomatoes. I'll just use one right here and one right here. You know what I'll do? I'll put one like this, and we'll put two nice, beautiful tomatoes, right? Look at those two tomatoes. And by the way, folks, let me just remind you, this is from my victory garden outside, okay? And I'm really happy about this. It's a wonderful thing to do. You should try to do it too. You don't need a lot of space. Then after I go ahead and I put my pomodoro, my tomatoes down, I love to do a little bit of lemon. A little bit of lemon, and I just go ahead and drizzle it like this and like this. Now you're wondering, well, wait a minute. I thought that these bagels have lox. Well, they do. And this is the lox right here. What I didn't use, I wrapped nicely, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. I'll do it right now. Here we go, in the fridge, and look what I got prepared. Look at that lox. This is wonderful. You can get this at any grocery store, or really good grocery store, or a deli. So then what I do is I take my lox, and I put it down like so. Look at how beautiful that looks. Oh my gosh. Just like this. You put it just like this. Okay? And then I put it just like this. Look at that. Oh my God. Scotty, I hope I'm doing this right, buddy. I think I am. Because I watched you do it, and you know, to me that turned out good. So I'm gonna go get some more lemon and put it on top of the lox, just like so, and just do it a little drizzle. Man, can you taste that right now, folks? Whoo, my goodness, that is so wonderful, isn't it? Then I'm gonna go get some spinach leaves and beet leaves. This is what I decided to use today because this is what I had on hand, and I like to have my greens on there too. And I put my greens just like so, okay? And I put them, both of them, both sides. It's really cool, you know, easy to do, so fast, so delicious. This is so healthy too, folks. This is so very healthy. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go get my onion. This is my red onion. I'm gonna put my red onion down just like so. Okay, and I'll do that on both sides like this. Whoops, get in there like that. Nice little onion, all nicely cut up. Look at how beautiful that looks, huh? Oh, that looks gorgeous, right? And you're thinking to yourself, is that it? That's all that goes on top of that? I go, no, it's me that goes on top of this. That's right. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this now. I want you to try this. I think you're gonna love it. I used a sesame bagel, toasted it, tomato, capers, schmear, onion, red onion that is, some beets and some spinach, and of course the lox that you'll love. You can get smoked lox or you can get regular lox. Me, I just went with the regular lox. Now I gotta say one thing, a salute, kugatsu. You know what that means, kugatsu? And it goes, what are you talking for? Don't talk so much. Manja. See you later, ciao for now from Vito's Italian Cucina. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Thanks, Red Man.